Yo, what's up you guys? It's KINGCAMRY. Welcome back to another Project TRD video. For those that do not know, I have been gathering B6 Toyota Camry TRD parts and installing them onto my 4-cylinder Toyota Camry Xse. That's why you guys see my interior is red. For those that have been following the channel and are subscribed, do know the grind, and it's been so much fun, and I am super happy with the car. It looks absolutely amazing. But today everything has to finally come to an end. We're going to be installing the TRD lip, and it actually has been on my car already, but when I installed it, I was not sure it was going to fit. So when I wrapped my car, I had to uninstall it, and I actually got some footage for you guys. If you guys ever want to tackle this project, you guys have this video for you guys to get help from. I know you guys always ask questions like if this will fit a Camry 20 plus bumper, because I do know there was a bumper change. This will not fit your 20 plus Camry. If you guys have this bumper, it will not fit. I am sure of that. This is probably the most asked question also, where do I get all my TRD parts? And I actually got them from B6 Toyota Camry TRD owners that removed them from their TRD and sold them, and I was lucky enough to get them. So that's why every time you guys ask me and get mad at me and throw me against the wall because I don't have links, that's why, because there's really none. But I am going to be making a separate video of where you guys can get these TRD parts. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your notification. It is going to be a video for you guys to get all these parts, numbers, links, whatever you guys want to get from the TRD. I am going to drop a separate video for you guys to pick up and see if it's going to be worth it, because this project does not come cheap, and I am not really convinced that you should do it. I mean, if you pay what I did to get it, do it. But if you do start from scratch and get them from these links, it's going to be very expensive. So I'm going to be dropping a video separate for you guys that always ask these questions, and it's just going to be there whenever you guys have these questions. I'm just going to give it to you guys. But with that being said, you guys, I hope you guys find this project helpful. So much fun, honestly, and everything has to come to an end. And with that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been your boy KINGCAMRY. Thank you so much for all the love. Peace.